Attention, WhatsApp users! A new feature is coming to chats and groups to make conversations easier to follow. You will soon see a new indicator below the message that shows how many replies it has. If you tap on that indicator, WhatsApp will open a separate view where you can see all the replies in order. This means you won't have to scroll through the entire chat to follow the conversation. All the replies to that message will be grouped together in one place. You can continue chatting inside this window, and you can go back to the main chats screen anytime you want. And if you select any message within that conversation to reply to, WhatsApp will automatically reopen the same dedicated window for that conversation. This makes it easier to view all the previous messages and understand what the discussion is about. You can read all the replies in order and stay focused on that one topic. By showing all the replies in order and keeping them in one place, this new feature helps you focus on one topic without getting confused by other messages in the chat. Whether it's a group conversation, a long discussion, or a simple message with many replies, WhatsApp's new layout makes it easy to read every response and follow the entire conversation without confusion.